Want to build passive income with the yield farming? Here's a simple step-by-step guide to get started. First, choose a reliable DeFi platform like Uniswap, PancakeSwap, or Curve. Always check their security audits and community trust before investing. Next, pick the tokens you want to farm with. Popular choices include stablecoin pairs like USDT and USDC, or tokens with high liquidity like Ethereum or Matic. Deposit your chosen tokens into a liquidity pool. This means you're providing funds for other users to trade with, and in return, you'll earn fees and rewards. Once deposited, stake your LP tokens into that farming contract. This is where you start earning extra rewards on top of trading fees. Always monitor your yields and watch out for risks like impermanent loss or sudden token volatility. A good strategy is to diversify across different pools. And that's it. With the right platform and tokens, yield farming can be a smart way to generate steady passive income. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful, and don't forget to leave us your thoughts in the comments.